Oil prices dip as Trump-backed coup in Venezuela fuels market uncertainty. On Sunday, global oil markets slipped following the Trump administration's decisive action to remove Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro, an event that has injected fresh uncertainty into the world's oil supply outlook. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude fell by 31 cents, settling at $57.01 per barrel, while the international benchmark Brent decreased by 22 cents to $60.53. President Donald Trump, speaking from his Mar-a-Lago estate, announced a new strategic objective, encouraging America's largest oil firms to pour billions of dollars into Venezuela's crumbling oil infrastructure, despite the fact that the U.S. embargo on Venezuelan oil remains intact. Venezuela, a founding member of OPEC, possesses the largest proven crude reserves on the planet, roughly 303 billion barrels, which equates to about 17% of the world's total, yet its production has plummeted from a 1990s high of 3.5 million barrels per day to just around 800,000 barrels today. Chevron remains the sole U.S. major still operating within the country, exporting approximately 140,000 barrels daily at the close of 2025. Industry analysts are divided on the price implications. Dan Striven, head of oil research at Goldman Sachs, points out that a U.S.-friendly regime could lift sanctions, potentially boosting Venezuelan output and exerting downward pressure on oil prices. Conversely, a turbulent power shift might trigger short-term supply disruptions, creating upward price pressure. Helmer Croft of RBC Capital Markets emphasizes that reviving Venezuela's oil sector would require about $10 billion annually and a secure environment. She estimates that a comprehensive sanctions relief could restore several 100,000 barrels within a year if the transition proceeds smoothly. However, she warns that an unstable scenario, akin to the chaos witnessed in Libya or Iraq, would leave market outcomes highly unpredictable. Investors will closely monitor political developments and any forthcoming U.S. policy moves that could reshape the future of Venezuela's oil industry and, by extension, global oil pricing dynamics.